All right, I've had multiple requests to do a video on bull here. There isn't a lot of context because this stock is only 3 months old, but it has broken out here on the short-term time frame. First thing I like to look at is I like to look at gap fills. There isn't really even a gap fill to look at here on this chart. You might have a slight one here at 1610, and that's actually where I see a supply zone at. So right here at 1614, there's a supply zone up here to 1880. So I can see it resting up in that area for the first pullback here. You have a demand zone between 1066 and 1030. If we go down here, we notice that this did not break the low here. So technically it could be, this could technically be, like if you're looking at this normally as Elliot Wave, you'd be looking at A, B, C up here, or a third wave would go even higher. But it doesn't always work out like that. It doesn't necessarily mean it's 100% a B wave. It comes down here and holds this low. It could be starting a new count from here too. So we don't know that yet. There's not enough context. Moving averages are just forming. We don't have enough context. So we do know that it's breaking out here. We do know the supply zone here at 1065 and 1614. If we go to the hourly, here's what I would count this as. I would count this as 1, 2, and this would be a nested 1, 2. And I would have this as a third wave. And this would be the fifth wave right here. And this would be the overall third. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Let's go to the 4-hour. So you can't see the third wave here on this time frame, but I think the third wave likely ended right here. So I'd be looking for a pullback maybe, and then a move up here into this red box. And that's about all the context that you can get from this chart right now. There's not enough, hasn't been enough time for this chart to go by. So I'm waiting for this to go up here. I'd be potentially selling up here at 1610 to 1880 if you're trading, because that's a pretty big gain. That's about a 60 to 80% gain if you bought towards the bottom. But we have to wait and see. We have to see what exactly, how it goes into this supply zone. So I can see a fourth wave coming and then a fifth wave higher like this. But again, you have to just wait and see how this plays out. That's really only thing that I can go over right now. We don't have standard deviation yet. We have a count. We have supply and demand. We know that this held the low, so it could be a third wave. But do you really think that bull is going to go straight up here to $100? I don't. I think that it could go up here and make a wave 1 here, pull back for a wave 2, and then maybe take off like that. So if I was in this and I was trading it, I'd probably be looking to sell in this red box between 1610 to 1880. But if it ends up doing something like this, and it just like looks like it's going to keep on going, then I'd probably maybe do a trailing stop or something like that, or just sell a little bit and see how it goes, and then put a stop loss once we know it's into a second wave. So yeah, that's pretty much my breakdown of bull right now. You have a breakout. Looks like a third wave might be stalling out here for a little fourth wave pullback, and I'd be looking for something up in this area. Probably to sell if I was trading. If I'm a long-term investor, maybe sell cover calls, that kind of thing. So that's pretty much the breakdown here. You don't have any gaps. I don't think there's any gaps in the whole chart. Let's look. There's no gaps in the chart at all. So yeah, that's pretty much the breakdown. Oh no, there's a gap up here at $63, but that's so far away that's not going to happen anytime soon. So $63 you could be looking at in the future, but right now just follow this. I think that fourth wave could happen and then fifth wave higher. So that's the breakdown of bull for right now. Let's see how it goes. Maybe I'll do an update later. Hopefully that helps out a little bit. There isn't really that much analysis to do on it. It's obviously broken out here, but you can pretty much just guess that it probably is going to come to a stop up in this area. All right, that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe. Talk to you in the next video.